students, I hope all are safe at home. I welcome you all for the online class. In today's class, we are going to see the next poem. So this is the first poem in this 6th standard. So now let's start the poem. Okay. Before starting the poem, all of you ready with your textbook? Yes, keep ready with your textbooks. Now I am going to read out the poem. All of you has to listen properly. Then second time you have to read it with me. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Now let's start. The name of the poem is The Rainbow. Okay, all of you observe it carefully. See, boat sails in the river and ship sails on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Once again, I read out, observe it. Boat sails in the river and ship sails on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Let's move on to the second paragraph. They are bridges on the rivers, are as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges the heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Once again, I'll read out. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges the heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Have you all observed it? Yes. Now you have to say with me, okay? Boat sails in the river and ship sails on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Have you read out? Yes. Now I am going to explain the poem. All of you sit straight and observe the explanation. Okay. What is the first one? First line is boat sails in the river. So before that, see, here is the poem name. What is the name of the poem? The Rainbow. Have you seen the rainbow? Yes. When does it comes? Yes, if the sun and rain at a time, both of the sun and rain comes, that time only we can see the rainbow. So the poem is about the rainbow. Now let's see what is there in the poem. Boat sails in the river. So have you all seen that boat now? Yes. Boat sails on the river. So to sail on the river, we need a small boat. So this is a boat. Next, and ship sails on the seas. So this is a ship. What is the meaning of sea? Yes, sea is an ocean. So when we sail in the ocean, we need a big ship. Boat is not enough. So we need a ship. So and ship sails on the sea. So boat is smaller and ship is bigger than the boat. So in river we need a boat. To sail on the sea we need a ship. Okay. But clouds that sail across the sky. But clouds, where they sail? The clouds sail in the across the sky. Means sky across the sky. Next, are prettier far than these. Means it's so beautiful. So when the boat is sailing on the river and the ship is sailing on the river, to see that thing, it is a very prettier. It looks very beautiful. Next, there are bridges on the rivers. So in rivers there are bridges. As pretty as you please means it is so beautiful to see that bridges on the river. So which is the bridges? Yes, the rainbow is the bridges. So it starts from the end, one end, and it ends to the another end. So it is a bridge to the river. So there are bridges in the river. Means there is a river and there is a bridges. Which is the bridge? Rainbow is the bridge. It starts from this point and ends at the point. So rainbow is the bridges. So it is very pretty to see that thing. Means it is very beautiful to see that thing. But the bow that bridges heaven. What is the meaning of bow? A bow is a shape which seems like U. So the rainbow is in a shape like U, right? Yes, it is in the shape like U. But the bow that bridges heaven. Bridges heaven means, bridges means connects. It connects the heaven. So if we start here, it goes and touches to the heaven and we can come down. So so the bow that bridges the heaven means it connects from down to heaven. So it is so high. Next, and overtop the trees. And overtop the trees means, see, it is top of it. The rainbow comes top of the tree. So it is not very nearer. Means the rainbow comes on top of the trees. So nearer to the sky. So and over top the trees. So over top the trees. Next, and builds a road from earth to sky. So the rainbow builds a road from earth to sky. So it builds a road from earth to sky. Next is prettier far than this. So it is so beautiful. So it looks so prettier. So have you understood? Yes, let's come once again. Boat sails in the river. So boat, it sails on the river. Ship, it sails on the river. Sorry, ship, it sails on the sea. But the clouds that sails across the sky. So are prettier far than this. So it is so beautiful. It is so prettier. So there are the bridges on the rivers. So there is a bridge on the river. So we can start up from this end to that end. So it looks like a bridge. As pretty as you please. So it looks so beautiful. Next, but the bow that bridges the heaven. The bow that bridges the heaven. It connects the from earth to heaven. And over top the trees. So the rainbow comes over top of the trees. And builds a road from earth to sky. So it is a rainbow. It builds a road from earth to sky. Is prettier far than this. So it is so beautiful and prettier. This is a poem which is written by, who is the author? Yes, Christina Rossetti. Have you understood the poem? Yes, first we read the poem, then we understood the meaning of that poem. Then later on we have seen the pictures, what is the poem consists of, and then the poem. So who is the poet? Yes, Christina Rossetti is the poet of the poem The Rainbow. Have you all understood, children? Yes. Now your assignment is to read the poem and understand the poem. You have to read out the poem. Have you all understood? Okay. Next, you have to write the poem 3 times and you have to send to me. Okay. That is your assignment. Okay. Now next, we will continue in the next class. Thank you.